Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In today's video, I am going to show you how to enable 120Hz refresh rate or FPS on PS5. Before that, I am trying to hit 30,000 subscribers on YouTube. If you find this video useful in any way, don't forget to subscribe the channel as this encourages me in creating more similar videos. First of all, you need to head over to settings, cogwheel icon and press X to open it. Switch to screen and video tab on the left. And then on the right side, under resolution and frequency, locate 120Hz output option and press X. Now from this drop down, select automatic. Doing this will automatically enable 120Hz refresh rate on the games that support it, like Fortnite. After that, navigate to ALLM, that is auto low latency mode, and again make sure it's set to automatic. This feature will only work if your TV or monitor support this feature. My display doesn't support this, that is why I'm seeing this message. After that, go back to settings menu and then go to save data and game app settings. Switch to game preset and then on the right side, here you need to select performance mode instead of game default or resolution mode. Now last thing you need to do is open the game you want to play in 120Hz refresh rate. If it's supported, go to settings and make sure the same option is enabled in game settings as well. This is how it looks like in Fortnite. If you want to play other game and don't know whether it's supported or not, share it in the comments. I will love to answer that. That's all for this video. I hope this helps. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.